In this video, we'll go over how to set up a single fixed reward rate for your customers using the basic setup in goLoyalty. Like and subscribe to keep up with what's new at Epic Shops. From the left menu, click Rewards, then go to the Rewards section. Here, you'll see two options, Basic and Advanced. The Basic option is selected by default, and when it's enabled, the Advanced option automatically turns off. This means only one reward system can be active at a time. With Basic setup, you're applying one reward rate across all purchases. Just enter the amount of store credit you'd like customers to earn for every $1 spent. For example, if you enter 10, that means customers get 10% back. So a $100 order gives $10 in store credit. Once you're happy with your setup, just click Save to apply your changes. And that's it. That's how you set up a fixed reward rate for your customers using Basic setup in goLoyalty. Whenever you need assistance, just click the Get Help button at the top right of your screen. Epic has you covered.